everyone! Welcome back! Today we're diving into a topic that might be small in size, but huge in importance insects. Let's go! This is an ant. Ant! Ant! The ant is carrying food back to its colony. This is a bee. 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 Bees are important for pollinating flowers and making honey. Look at this beautiful butterfly. 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 A butterfly starts its life as a caterpillar before it becomes an adult. This is a moth. A moth. A moth. The moth flew around the light at night. This is a dragonfly. A dragonfly. A dragonfly. Dragonflies have large, transparent wings that help them fly quickly. The grasshopper. 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 The grasshopper jumped from one blade of grass to another. This is a ladybug. A ladybug. A ladybug. Ladybugs are known for their bright red bodies with black spots. Cockroach. 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 Cockroaches are very fast and often hide in dark places. This is a fly. A fly. A fly. A fly buzzed around the room, landing on the windowsill. Mosquito. 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 The mosquito bit me, and now I have an itchy spot on my arm. This is a beetle. A beetle. A beetle. Beetles come in many shapes and colors, from shiny to dull. Spider. 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 The spider spun a delicate web between two branches.